Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam while launching a game. You got an error, failure, no license, or Steam no license error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting step. Right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here percentage, temp percentage, and then hit the enter key. Now whatever files are present, select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. Whichever files are no delete, you can easily skip those files. Once it is done, close it. Again open run command and this time type only temp and hit the enter key. Again select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. This way you simply delete the temporary files of your Windows as well as Steam. Now go ahead, launch the Steam and try to relaunch the game. If this failed to work out, in next step, simply I recommend to change the install location of the game. To do so, click on Steam, choose the option settings, click on the option storage, and over here, all the games that are installed will be shown right over here. For example, I have already installed Stormgate. Go ahead, you need to select that game and choose option move. From a drop down list, choose a drive where the game is not installed. For example, my game is currently installed in C drive, so it is not showing the C drive, it is only showing the D drive. Select the drive and choose the option move. After moving the game, try to relaunch and hopefully this will fix out the issue of failure no license or Steam no license error. If this simple fix doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, you need to open the directory of the game. I'll go ahead and choose the game Stormgate. Go ahead, choose the properties option. Under the installed files, click on the option browse to open the installed directory of the game. Now here in installed directory, you need to create a new file, but for that you need to know the app ID of your Steam. So first of all, right in this Steam, click on the Steam icon and choose option settings. Now from here, click on the option account details. Now next to your username, here is your Steam ID. Go ahead, right click, select it and choose option copy. After copying the file, open the directory of the game. Now you need to create a new file. So choose the right click and choose option new and select the option text document. Now give it a name Steam underscore app ID that we have just copied. So type here the app ID by pressing the Ctrl+V key. Once pasted the app ID, hit the enter key. Once it is done, close it. Now go ahead and relaunch your game and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Steam no license error. If this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, if you have downloaded the game from the Steam RIP or any other website such as FitGirl, you need to re-download the game. I am again telling you to re-download the game. Once the game is downloaded, open Windows Security, click on the option Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on the option Manage Settings and choose the option Real-Time Protection Turn Off. After turning off the real-time protection, then only you need to unzip the downloaded file. After unzipping the file, make sure you recrack the game. It is because the Windows Security has quarantined or delete that cracked file and in turn gives you Steam failure no license error. Once done, close it. Again relaunch your Steam and then try to play the game and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Steam no license error. If this method also failed to work out, in next step you need to take help of Goldberg emulator. Go ahead, open this site by copy the download link from the description of this video. Then click on the option latest build. Save it into a system. Once the file is saved, open the zip file or zip folder and click on the option extract all. Click on the option extract. Now the extracted folder will be shown right over here. From here you need to copy two files, Steam_API and Steam_API 64. Right click and choose the option copy. Now open the directory of the game, Steam, right click, properties, installed files, click on the browse option and right over here right click and choose option paste. If it is asking you to replace the file, go ahead and replace the file and make sure the steam underscore your app ID file must be present. If not, you need to create that file again, as I have already shown in my previous step. Once you have done so, go ahead, restart your Steam, and this will completely fix out the issue of Steam failure no license or Steam no license error. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.